Hey, how's it going? I'm Chris, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the browser extension. The video will be split into two parts. This first video would be about how you can search, how you can save information. And the second part, in the second video, I'll talk about how you can ask questions to Rich and how you can import your bookmarks and the various customizations you can do to the browser extension. So, our browser extension, as you know, it's for both Chrome and Firefox. And the main functionality is really for you to be able to save information, to save virtually any website or any image that you might find or anything. So how does it work? So if you open the extension by clicking here or through the shortcut, it will automatically identify if that website has been saved to your myReach account or not. If it hasn't been saved, you'll see here, save website. You can either click enter or click directly on it. By saving it, it will automatically then extract all of the content of the website, all of its metadata, and then it will learn it so that then afterwards you can ask any questions about it. Similarly, you can, if not, do right-click anywhere on the page and click Save Website. However, if you're reading an article and there's a specific section of the article that you want to save, if you select it and right-click, you get given two options, either to save it as a note or to save it as a note on a website. If you save it as a note, what it would do is that it would create then a note with just that piece of text. And at the very bottom would add sort of the URL where it comes from. On the other hand, if you save it as a note on a website, it saves both the note and the website. So it'll save the note with the content, in this case, this little paragraph. And then at the very bottom, it will add a mention to the node of the website. So that way, you'd always have then the article, so essentially this piece of text, always connected to the URL of the article. So in this case, I'm going to save it as a note on a website for you to then see. Equally, if there's a picture I want to save to myReach, similarly, I just right-click to the web clipper and then save as a file on a website, in this case, because I want to save it as a website. So now I just open myReach, and you will then see the note. So as you can see here, I have the website introducing Rich. I have then the piece of text that I then created as a note. And as you can see at the bottom, I have both the reference to URL and the website node itself. So I click on the website, I can then open it, and I have the website here of the article. And I can see that the article is linked to both the picture and then the piece of text that then I saved. So if I go back then to any browser, any tab, and I open the extension, I can equally search for anything that I might have saved on myReach. So for example, here I'm looking for an article from Forbes, and then it will automatically then search within all of your workspaces for then anything pertaining to what you've inputted here. So in this case, this is the article that I want to see. As you can see, it says open in a new tab, and I click enter, then the article will appear. So for websites, as you can see, it opens in a new tab. For documents, it will automatically then download that document and that file. For notes, it will open in myReach that specific note. Then an important thing I forgot to mention pertaining to saving, which workspace then it saves all the information. So as you can see here at the very bottom, you have a workspace selector. If I then click on it, I can then choose one or multiple workspaces that I then want to save. So here if I select both of my workspaces, so you can see anything that I now save will be saved into all workspaces. So this is a bit it for this video. In the next video, I will then tackle the next functionalities of the extension.